We have new copiers. Let's talk about that. These new copiers are going to be connected to a program called PaperCut. This program is going to allow for all of your print jobs to be secure print jobs. As in the past, we used job boxes. In this case, with this new software, you'll be able to send a copy or a print anywhere in the district, and we'll show you how that works. The first time you come to a machine, you'll be greeted with a username and password screen. That username and password is the same username and password that you use to log into your computer. You do have an option to use an ID number. That ID number is your true time code. Your true time code can be accessed from the HR department or technology. In order for your badge to work, you need to follow a few very easy steps. The first one is make sure that you have your badge with you and look for a red dot that's glowing on the device. In this case, on these larger copiers, the red dot is right up front to the left of the screen. Tap your ID and a screen will pop up that allows you to put in your true time code or your username and password. Once you have done that, your card is now synced with the machine across the entire district. So whenever you print to a copier, you're not printing to a specific copier, you're printing to a global system. So as long as you go to any copy machine in the district, you can tap your ID card and be able to print from anywhere. When you're ready to print a document, you'll go to the exact same place that you normally do, where you will click print, and you will have some options. Instead of having names like log cabin or staff lounge or things of that sort, you're going to have two options. One is BW print, that's going to be black and white, and then you're going to have color print for anything that you want to print in color. You'll know what copy machine you're printing to in a way because there is a color row that's in the top right hand corner of the screen. If it does not have those four colors there, it is a black and white machine. So when you click one of those print locations, you are using PaperCut at that point, and it is going basically to the cloud, and that print job will sit there until you release that print by going to a copier somewhere in the district, either logging in or using your fob and printing that document. So let's take a look at how we release a print job. There will be three buttons that you have access to: print release, device functions, and scan. Print release will take you to a menu that shows what print jobs are available for you. Or above the print release, it will show what print job is waiting, and you can immediately hit print. The second option, if you want an experience very similar to what you had before, where you have full access to all the features of the copier, you can press the device functions button and a new screen will present itself that looks just like the copy machines that we had in the past. The third option you have is scan. This is how you're going to be able to scan directly to your email account. You can put in a different email address, but it's actually less complex if you use the device function side, if you have specific emails that you already have saved in the contact list. Otherwise, if it's just a scan to yourself, the scan button already plugs in your email and you just hit send, off you go.
The last feature we are going to discuss is how to send a fax. Simply click on Device Functions, press Fax in the top left-hand corner, and send a fax as you would in the past by typing in the appropriate phone number for the fax, and then hit Start.
We hope that you enjoy the new devices, and as with any new technology, there will be bumps in the road, and we realize that some things are going to be confusing for the first time. But We're here to help. Just pop in a work order to technology and we'll try to get your issue remedied as fast as we can. Thank you and enjoy copying and the new year.